Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export a filtered list in Copper CRM. All right, and it's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead over to people right here in the left panel, click on it. Now in here is easy. I have three contacts in my account. So we have the contact type in here, current customer, and categorized and potential customer. Okay, so what we'll do is just go ahead and filter it out. Okay, let's say I'm just going to go ahead and make a simple filter. Maybe let's go ahead over to contact type. Let's say I just want to export the potential customers, okay, or customer in my case. Click on Save as New Filter if you want to save it. If not, just click on this forward arrow key, okay? Now there you go. For example, in your case, you have a ton of people in here. Don't worry, you can just export it by just clicking on this tick box besides person, not here, okay? If you select this one, you'll only select one person, okay? If you want to select all of your potential customers to be exported, use this button or a checkbox at the top left. Click on it, and then once done, as you can see here, you have the export button. Click on it. Now in here, just make sure to select either export all selected people, okay, or export all people that match this filter, okay. I'm going to go ahead and select this one and hit on export. It says here export started. You'll receive an email, so just basically click on got it and wait for the specific email, and also you'll get a notification right here at the top. Okay, so just wait for it. So I just got the email right here. You should receive the same exact email. So what you'll do is just click on this first hyperlink. Okay, click on it and there will be a download page right here. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to name it as potential customer. Okay, hit on save. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and check it out. Okay, which is right here. I have the potential customer. This should be on a XLSX file. Okay, we're going to check it out. Properties. There you go. XLSX. So to change it, just double click on it. Now click on enable editing. Now go to the top left, click on file, save as. Click on this drop down and select CSV. Okay, hit on save, wait for it, close this one, and you should be able to get another potential customer, which is saved as a CSV file. Click, right click, properties, CSV, comma, separated value. And there you have it. That is how you export a filtered list in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.